In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix inverted camera on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can really just do it on any iPhone you have. It doesn't really matter. Now, if your camera is inverted and you want it to look natural and normal, it can be quite annoying whenever you're taking photos or videos. So it's a very easy fix. What you want to do is go over to your settings application, go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to see a bunch of different options. But go over to your camera option, which is usually under Apple Intelligence and Siri. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're here, again, you're going to see a lot of different things. But you want to go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to see a mirror front camera option. And if you toggle it on, your selfies will look exactly like the preview, which is going to be mirrored. And if you toggle it off, your selfies are going to flip to show how you look to others in real life. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. So the composition, you want to either disable it or enable it depending on exactly what you want. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.